we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting names, both in British English and in American English, as the pronunciations are slightly different. In British English, this is normally pronounced as amber. You do want to stress on the first syllable, on the syllable, amber. In American English, however, it is usually said as amber, amber in American English versus amber in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English and names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.